Hello students, hope you are doing fine and well. Today we are going to start with the next chapter number 2, that is Menka. So I'll just give it a reading and explain you one by one line. There was a small hill that was covered with green trees. The writer is talking about the small hill which was covered with green trees. A path went up the hill. It was steep and difficult. Menka and her brother journeyed up this path joyfully. People looked at them in wonder. How did people look at them? In wonder. Menka walked up the hill. His brother was also with her. She carried him on her back. The path was steep and to climb was difficult. It went through thick and lovely woods of fir and pine trees. This path led to a holy place. People who visited the holy place took the steep path. So who took the steep path? Those who want to visit the holy place. One day when the sun shone high in the sky, many people were seen climbing up the hill. They were climbing slowly and carefully. A girl also climbed up the hill with them. Her name was Menka. How many years she was old? She was 12 years old. She carried a small boy on her back. And who was that small boy on her back? Her brother. He was 4 years old. His hair was curly, his eyes were black, and his face was as fresh as the morning dew. He smiled at everyone and waved his hand, but his legs were still. He could not walk. Now come to the next page. As shown dancing through the trees, Menka climbed the hill slowly and steadily. Menka was happy. The boy was also cheerful. Cheerful means excited. A man in the group looked at Menka. He felt sorry for her. He asked her, "My child, why are you carrying this boy on your back? Don't you feel his load?" The man was actually worried about Menka and he feels sorry for her. Man looked at him in surprise. She could not understand him. She looked directly at him and then added strongly, "Of course not. He is my brother." Menka replied that of course not, as he is my brother, so I won't feel any load. The man looked both of them in wonder. Now come to the exercises of this chapter. Where was Menka, brothers? On her back. Who took the steep path? People who wanted to visit the holy place. Now do the rest of your own. Now come to tick the correct option. What kind of a day was it when Menka climbed the steep path? It was a sunny day. So just put a tick mark on the sunny, on the word sunny. Then how many years old was Menka? Menka was 12 years. So just put a tick mark on here only. Her brother was how many years old? Her brother was 4 years old. Fill in the blanks. The path went steep. The path went through thick and lovely woods. The people who visited the holy place took the steep path. Do the rest of their own and come to the next page. True, false. Write true and false for the statement. Menka carried her brother on her back. True. It was a cool and rainy day. False. It was a sunny day. Menka was 20 years old. No, she was 12 years old girl. So there will be a false. So do the rest on your own. Then match the following. Path steep. Boy's hair curly. The sun shining. Menka 12 years. Small boy, girl's back. Question answers. How did Menka carry her brother? Menka carried her brother on her back. Then how was the boy on Menka's? Why was the boy on Menka's back? Because he was too small to cover such a distance. How fresh was the boy's face? As fresh as the morning dew. Why did Menka? What did man say to Menka? Man say that I feel sorry for you, and said, what does he said? You can see here, "My child, why are you carrying this boy on your back? Don't you feel his load?" So now we come to the end of the chapter. Thank you, children.